Ladies and gentlemen, the Ativ S. This is a premium smartphone that delivers the integrated PC experience of a Windows 8 phone, with a fast dual-core processor and a 4.8-inch HD Super AMOLED display. It measures in at just 8.7 millimeters thin, and even with a generous 2,300 milliamp battery. It's a completely new smartphone with exceptionally powerful performance. What's more amazing is that even with this slim profile and outstanding mobility, it's fully compatible with Microsoft Windows, and users can enjoy various Windows-based content in an optimized environment. The beautiful, minimal, and simple design, together with the premium metallic hairline finish, makes this device even more special. And finally,